Hey guys, welcome. This is the Flippin Bruce YouTube channel. My name is Bruce Glenn and I've been a house flipper for over 30 years now and also a residential real estate appraiser for almost 30 years. So really half my life I've been in real estate and I've learned a ton in that time. And I've started to share what I've learned over the years with people. I speak at local real estate investment RIA meetings. I've spoken at a number of real estate offices to realtors on both, helping them understand about appraisals and also talking a little bit about flipping houses too, because there's a lot of realtors that have an interest in that. And recently I put together some classes here locally for some small groups, and basically we just meet for 3 or 4 hours at a time and going over A to Z topics about flipping houses. And that went over really well. I had a lot of positive feedback and I had a lot of fun doing it. That kind of got me to putting together flippinbruce.com. Flippinbruce.com is a membership website and I got all kinds of things on the inside. I've got case studies of a number of houses that I've done where you're going to see before and after pictures. You'll see all the numbers, what we paid for it, what it cost to renovate it, and then actually how much money I made. So you will get to see all of that. Got a private Facebook group that are trying to build a community of people where if you have questions to ask, just get on there. I monitor it daily. I'll answer questions. Or if you want to share a project that maybe you're doing, put it on there because I'm sharing my projects. I usually keep 2 to 3 projects at a time going, so I'm always flipping houses. I'm an active house flipper. I'm not somebody that used to do it. I do it daily. And you'll get to see all those that we're doing. I also do a weekly class or webinar, and I pick a different topic each week and I just really go into details and then I open it up to questions. So it'll be live so you can ask any questions you want, but if you miss it, I've recorded all of them and they're in the website that you can go and watch as many times as you want, whenever you want. There's a lot of great information there too. Then I was trying to think of a creative way to kind of show people how to flip houses. I thought, well, let me buy a house and really spend some time doing videos at the house and doing walkthroughs, things that we run into, any issues, why we decided to do this or that. It's a great educational tool. But then I thought, what could make it a little bit more fun? And I do JV deals all the time with people, a joint venture deal. So I thought, what if I picked one lucky member to be my JV partners? Now they won't have to put any money in, they won't have to do any of the work. But what if I just pick one member to split the profit with? So that's what I'm doing. And when we get to the end of the project, I'm going to pick one member to, be my JV partner, and I'm going to cut them a check for half the profit with a minimum of $5,000. So I don't care if it goes south and I don't make anything. I'm going to still give somebody $5,000. But if I make $20,000, I'm going to write a check for $10,000 to someone. So please go to flippinbruce.com, check it out. You can get all the details there. It's going to be a lot of fun. People are going to learn a lot, and somebody's going to walk away with a chunk of change. Also on this YouTube channel, I'm going to have a bunch of different topics. We're going to go into details. A lot of appraisal related stuff to investing, since that's been kind of my specialty, but I think you'll find you can learn a whole lot from the videos I'm going to be putting out. I also have a book coming out called First Flip. That's in the editing stage right now, but hopefully in the next couple months it will be printed and we'll have that available. Got a lot of stuff happening I'm really excited about, so please check us out. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the link below. If you have any questions whatsoever, my email is bruce@flippinbruce.com. Just shoot me an email, I'll get back with you. But until then, you guys have a great one. Thanks so much.